Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to delete draft posts on Instagram. So guys, this is actually very easy to do and you can do it directly from your Instagram homepage. Now the first thing to do is to, of course, open your Instagram app and log into your Instagram account. Now after that, you just have to click on this plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you click on that, you'll be able to find this drafts option right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on that drafts option, and now I'll be able to see the number of drafts I have here. So right now I have only one saved draft post, so I'm going to click on this manage one, and then after clicking on the manage one, I'll be able to find it here. So what's I click on that manage one, the next thing to do is to click on this pencil at the top right corner, and now can be able to select this post and click on discard at the top, and now I can be able to click on discard, and this um draft post will be deleted. Now it has been deleted. So guys, this is how to delete your draft post on Instagram. I hope this tip was helpful. If you think it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel for more of my videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.